As an advisor, it's been really imperative to do estate planning. Estate planning actually was one of the areas that we're most deficient in, sadly, and it happens once to a client, right? Where they go through a probate process and it's a painful process with their family member. And we realize, oh my gosh, this is definitely something we need to focus on. So we kind of turned our thinking and said, every client is going to have an estate plan put in place, because while we can do retirement planning, investment planning, college planning really, really well, we needed to focus on estate planning. And not only has that helped our clients kind of take a weight off of their shoulders, but it's also helped us deepen those client relationships. So they realize like, wow, Verde is really helping us like put everything that we need together. Estate planning has been part of our core service model really over the past year. We've really put a concerted effort into this. So Trust and Will has made it so easy for us to provide the appropriate education for our clients when it's time to have that conversation about estate planning. So we start with educating our clients as to why putting a plan in place is important. They go and they complete their full estate plan with Trust and Will, and then we're notified when they've completed it so we can go through and retitle accounts, do beneficiary updates, and have that ready for the clients so that we get the feedback from them afterwards that, wow, that was an easy process, number one. And number two, they feel that peace of mind that it's been taken care of. Our clients feel a sense of relief, a sense of accomplishment whenever they've completed an estate plan with Trust and Will. Because prior to this, a lot of times what happens is we had referred them to an attorney, and they go back and forth with an attorney, phone calls, emails, pricing discussions, and there's just a great barrier to actually getting a full estate plan done. Versus working with Trust and Will, our clients can complete it within a matter of a meeting or an hour or so. And after they're done and they know it's complete, they feel such a sense of accomplishment. So as advisors, you probably wear many different hats, depending on the size of your practice. And estate planning probably isn't one of them, but that's why partnering with Trust and Will makes it so easy for you to get this done for your clients, offer this in your practice so that you truly are that one-stop shop and that resource for them, for your clients, everything financial related. Not only that, but it helps you deepen those client relationships by introducing you to their family members, their next generation. It helps you get to know those individuals and get an introduction to them and help you grow your business organically through those referrals. Trust and Will helps take a task that is normally very complex and simplifies it for us and for our clients.